Here's an example where we're going to find the surface area for a cylinder. We don't have a picture of the cylinder. We don't really need one, but I'm going to draw one anyway. So a cylinder is a circle and a circle at the other end, and then we connect it such as this. Not the prettiest circle in the world, but that is a cylinder. So the radius of the base of the cylinder is 4 inches. Well, the circles are the bases. So this distance is 4 inches. And the height is 6 inches. The height is the distance between the bases. So the height from here to here is 6 inches. All right. So now, what is the surface area of the cylinder? We're going to use the same formula that I used for finding the surface area of a prism. We're just going to adjust it for circles, okay? So we're going to find the surface area, which is the perimeter times the height, plus 2 times capital B. So what I like to do is the perimeter is the circumference of this circle. So I like to think of that as pi times the diameter times the height. And then the area of the circle, which is the base, is pi r squared. So the formula basically turns into that. But I don't memorize that. I only memorize pH and 2b. And I already know the circumference equation and the area equation. So now the diameter of this base is 8 because the radius is 4. So I'm going to do 8 pi times h is 6, plus 2 times pi times the radius squared. 4 squared is 16. So we're going to leave this in terms of pi. So 8 times 6 is 48. So 48 pi plus 2 times 16 is 32 pi. We'll combine our like terms, and we get 80 pi, and this is in inches. So inches squared, this would be our surface area of our cylinder. Okay? Again, I don't memorize this formula. I know this formula. And then I use the perimeter, which is the circumference, and the area, which is pi r squared. And there's 80 pi square inches, the surface area of that cylinder.